This is a water buffalo, Asiatic or Asian water buffalo. It has just rained. As a result of, there is puddles of water in the drainage ways of the ranch, and of course the water buffalo is enjoying it. Wow, she's rolling and roly-poly. Oh, she's feeling really great. She moves with the Chittagong miniature zebu cow, and she enjoys her life with them. And these are the miniature cows. You can see the difference in size. Here is a miniature bull. He's about 9 months, pretty soon going to be mature. His horns are just showing up, and he's multicolored. And here is a heifer calf. She has just been weaned, so she's about 7 months old. Here are the rest of the herd. And here are the guardian dogs guarding them. And here is one of the daddies. He's very, very small. Very handsome bull. He's just 34 inches in height and 4 inches of hump. That makes them beautiful. Here is one of the mothers. She's grazing by the side of the pond, and she's very beautiful specimen, beautiful looking. It has just rained, so it's looking beautiful here.